How to fix Spotify playing random songs on iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys why your iPhone is actually playing random songs on Spotify, as well as provide you guys with a solution to your problem. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right on in. So you can see I'm currently on Spotify right now. And if I go ahead and click on one of my playlists here, I'm going to go ahead and click on my like songs. You can see that at the top, there's going to be a big circle with a play button. Now, right next to the big play button on its left, there's going to be two arrows going, opposite direction of each other, right? So you can see that I actually unchecked it right now. Now, when it's actually white or gray, as you can see on my screen right now, that means that shuffle is off. Now, basically, it's a shuffle button. When it's on, it is green, right? When it is off, it is just gray. So that's how you go ahead and fix Spotify playing random songs, guys, because usually people actually have the shuffle, button on, and it just randomizes their songs. So just go ahead and disable it, and that'll actually fix your problem with playing random songs on iPhone. But hopefully you found that fix extremely helpful, guys. And with that being said, make sure to leave a like on the video, guys. It really does help out the channel, and make sure to subscribe as well. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.